Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're discussing how to use Canva's curved text tool for professional typography. So to begin, open up your design in Canva and then select the text tool from the left sidebar here to add a text box. Let's go text and let's add a text box. Let's say I'll add it here. Let's choose add a text box. There you go. And then type out your text. For example, I'll just go ahead and type in test 1, 2, 3. Then you just choose your font that you can do right here, size of the font as well. You can set the text alignment to center for the cleanest curve distribution. Alignment and choose center, right like this. Then to apply the curve effect. So click on the text box to select it. In the top floating toolbar, click on effects. Here, my panel will open up on the left. Scroll down to the shape section at the bottom, right here. And now as you can see we have the curve. Click on it. And there you go. Your text now has a curve. And now right beneath it, as you can see, we have a adjustment line or like a slide bar that allows us to adjust the curvature and direction. So if you go ahead and choose it, as you can see we have this big like a round ball up here. That, as you can see, when it moves, our text moves with it. And now you can choose the percentage. You can also, as you can see, curve it upwards and not downwards. And yeah, play with it as much as you want and choose your perfect curvature. There you go, guys. So enjoy. If this was helpful as always, make sure to subscribe.